Good afternoon, and welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I'm Brenda. It's good to see you all again. Today, for dinner, we are going to have taco salad. We do it keto with no crunchy stuffs. I think maybe Tom might add just a few chips in his, but I'll skip it. We are going to start with, come on over. Tom's back there behind me, of course. My God. I'm going to start with a tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to melt that and add a little bit of garlic. Brown the garlic up a little bit. And then I'm going to add, I think it's like, yeah, it's 1 pound of ground beef. Ground chuck, but whatever beef you like. If you like chicken tacos, then obviously you can use the ground chicken. We just choose to use the ground beef. Did you all watch yesterday's vlog, dinner vlog? I hope you did, because that chicken and broccoli Alfredo, it's awesome. But tacos, everybody loves tacos, and we're doing the taco salad. The only thing it's missing is the outside part that's not the good stuff for you when you're doing keto. We lost weight doing keto, and then bad, I slipped away from it. And I gained weight back. So I now have the weight that I gained off of me again. And I think Tom only gained like 2 pounds. So I have a goal that's probably going to take a long while. Maybe not though. I'm hoping for another 20 pounds off. It would be great if I could get it all off this year. I think Tom's probably going to try to get another 7 off.
Yeah, about another 7.
And then kind of go with that. Hopefully we'll keep it off. We'll have to put some pictures on here of what would look like before I just decided, hey, I'm going to eat anything I want to. I'm retired now, and we're just hanging out together now, and I've always wanted to eat this and this and that, and I did, and it was wrong. And my body has suffered the consequences. So take warning. Don't get too settled and think that it's okay to eat junk, because it's not. It is not. I think I've mentioned before that I am retired deputy jailer here in Kentucky, and my husband Tom is retired Army, 20 years service. I have 27 total years service for my county, and we used to be very active and did a lot of things. Then we just kind of got, let's stay at home, let's be lazy, let's do this, let's just do that, let's just watch TV, let's just watch this movie. And what do you do when you sit there and watch movies and TV?
You munch on junk food.
You do munch. You munch on junk. So, the best way to take care of that is to keep it out of the house. The only thing is, I have to have this jar. It's a jar especially for the grandbabies. Of course, one of them, she's not old enough to open that cabinet and want a little sweet treat. But the other one is, so I have to keep some things in there for her.
And as Brenda was talking about the grandbaby snack jar, I'll ask Thomas to insert a picture here so you folks can know what we're talking about.
Yes, Thomas, insert please. Next thing I'm going to do is cut up a couple of green onions that I'm going to throw over there with that burger that's frying up. And save one to chop up to put in the actual salad itself. And then we've still got some homemade salsa from a couple weeks ago. I think I've got a video of that on here if you guys want to check it out.
Yep. Thomas, insert a link to the homemade salsa video, please. Don't worry, you folks will find out who Thomas is.
I'm going to go ahead and add some, oh, hang on, I got to get something. Let me show you all these real quick. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? Can you see that color?
It's kind of a copper bronze color. Oh yeah, you can see it real good in that light right there.
Right there?
Yep.
We got these today. I promised Tom, because I have this terrible habit. I've had some of the prettiest burner covers. But I had promised Tom that from now on, anytime I use any burner, I will remove all burner covers. If you cook, you know exactly why I'm saying this. Ooh, how many times have you turned that burner on and it was the wrong one? All that smoke starts coming around. Next thing you know, your smoke detector's going off. And your pretty little burner covers are all but destroyed. I'm going to put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Yeah, it's okay. It's garlic. Be fine. 1/8 of a spoon of, you know what, I'm going to go just a little bit more for the onion powder. About like that. And then, of course, I've got the taco seasoning that I think I'll end up using that and then some. So, but
and yes, for those of you that are keeping score at home, there are chopped up green onions and onion powder. You ask yourself, why are there chopped up green onions and onion powder in there? That's because that's the way we like it. And if you try it this way, you'll like it too.
because it tastes good.
It tastes very good.
Now, I'm going to let Tom make the decision. Do you want the back porch hot sauce bee sting, or do you want the Texas Pete?
Let's go with the Texas Pete.
Because this lights you up.
Yes, it will.
It does just what it says. You know how a bee, when it stings, it takes a second for that full sting to get in there? Well, so does this. This is made local, right here in our town. It's some awesome stuff.
Yeah, we bought that at a farmer's market here a while back, and so, matter of fact, on our KY Travelers YouTube channel, there's a video vlog called Saturday Ramblings. That was when we bought the back porch hot sauce. There's a brief description of how we came into contact with that stuff on there, but it's some really good stuff. It really is.
Came into contact.
Yes.
Okay. While that is frying up and doing its thing over here, Let me give it a little stir. But while it's doing its thing, I am going to go ahead and chop up some lettuce and some tomato and another green onion. And go ahead and get the veggie part of this taco salad happening. Now, I don't put rice in it. Obviously, we're keto. If you want, you can put, and we don't do the refried beans either, same reason. But you can get you some cauliflower rice and use it. Works just fine. Works just fine. Now, see our pretty little bowls? Aren't these just pretty? Can you guess whose is whose's? Could this one be mine? Alright. Now, right now, let me just lay that over there. And you know you're not supposed to cut lettuce, right? If you're gonna keep it in the fridge because it makes it turn brown quick. So you just tear off what you want. And since we're gonna eat this, I'm obviously gonna cut this. Time or two. Get us some bite sizes in there. Nothing worse than trying to put a piece of lettuce in your mouth and it is like 10 times the size of your fork. I hate when that happens. You end up getting stuff all over your face and your nose.
You try to shove that big piece of lettuce in your mouth without looking like a hog. At least that's me, but you know.
And your eyes get real big. And then you're like, grab your napkin and hold it in front of your face like this because you're hoping nobody sees all that lettuce that's dangling out of your mouth.
Looking like a bullfrog eating a cricket.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this done. And, well, after I finish it up, we'll get right back with you guys, okay? Oh, and by the way, if you haven't yet, would you please subscribe to the channel? And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have some comments or if there's something you like to do with your taco salad that I haven't mentioned, please, by all means, share it with us. We really do appreciate our viewers and the subscribers, and we look forward to many more of you. But I'll be back with you in just a little bit, okay? All right, back again. In mine, I went ahead and put some chopped lettuce. I got me some seeded tomatoes. I also have some black olives because they are filler up, that is. Tom's does not. Oh, it's also got some green onion in it too. Some cheese. Of course, it's got cheese. And this is Tom's. Everything but the black olives. And then, of course, we have our yummy homemade salsa here that we'll put on the top here in a minute. Got some more shredded cheese to put on top. Now I just need to throw in the taco seasoning. And I went ahead and got out some cumin and some cilantro that I'm going to throw in here too. Because cilantro is yummy. And get this stirred up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on our salads. Let me put up all my mess. I'm sorry, my phone keeps going off. Doesn't it always seem like the thing? You could honestly sit, I bet you a person could honestly sit for hours and do nothing. And then your phone starts going off and you realize, hey, somebody out there really does think about me and loves me. Yay! Silly. Alright. Now. There's that. Can you see it? Is it light enough? Here.
Kind of dark.
There you go.
There we
Can
go.
you see that? There we go. I did not put any jalapeno pepper in it because Tom is not a fan. There we go. I think I might have to put just a little bit more in mine. I know. Those black olives are to fill her up, Brenda. Hello. Sorry. All right. Let's go ahead and put a little more cheese on there. You want some more cheese on yours, dear?
Yes, please.
All right. I like that.
And the horseman says, whoa.
A little more on mine. Now, good stuff. Homemade salsa. Put a dab on the top for us. Yeah, it's seedless for me. Had to do that. Most definitely. I would be in some serious trouble otherwise. Oh, not to mention this has got jalapeno in it too, so. I just now remembered that. Why? Because I smell it. Alright. And this is our yummy taco salads that we're going to have for dinner here in just a few minutes. You know what? Let me grab a couple of forks. We'll take a bite. I'll probably get the camera stationary so we can get us a bite here.
As long as it doesn't tip forward, I'll be all right. I don't think so.
Alrighty.
And again, I really don't feel right about trying this food without y'all seeing us try this food, because I can tell you all day long it's good, but the expression on my face usually tells the story for me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Tastes great.
I would give a couple thumbs up, but I don't want to drop my supper.
All right. Again, if you guys haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And any comments or suggestions that you have for stuff that we could add to this that's going to make it taste even that much better, that still keeps it keto, please let me know. If you don't eat keto, go ahead and throw you some corn chips in there or some Doritos. Doesn't that make your mouth water? But this is dinner for Sunday, and we will we'll be back with you tomorrow with either some crafting. My daughter was supposed to come over tomorrow and bring the grandbabies, but she's going to keep my great nephew, so now she can't come over. We were going to do some crafting and probably make some cookies with the baby, but, well, not the baby, but the little toddler. But we'll get that sometime soon and get it on here for you guys. But until then, you all have a good afternoon and good evening, and we will see you next time. Take care.